In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Mailchimp to Squarespace. By the end, you'll have your website and email marketing working together smoothly, so new signups on your site can flow straight into your Mailchimp audience and you can launch campaigns faster. Start on your Squarespace site dashboard. Look to the bottom left of the screen for the small gear icon. This opens the settings area, which is where Squarespace keeps most of the tools that control how your site works behind the scenes. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open it. Inside Settings, find and select Extensions. Extensions are official, secure add-ons that let your site talk to popular services. Using extensions is the recommended way to integrate with Mailchimp because it's maintained by Squarespace and designed to be simple and reliable. In the Extensions area, use the search bar and type Mailchimp. You should see the Mailchimp integration appear in the results. This is the connector that links your Squarespace site to your Mailchimp account, so select it to open its details page. Here you'll see a short description of what it does and the permissions it needs, such as access to basic account and audience information. When you're ready, choose Connect. That tells Squarespace you want to authorize the connection. You'll be redirected to a Mailchimp login screen. Sign in with your Mailchimp account to confirm the connection. If you use multi-factor authentication, complete that as usual. Mailchimp may show a quick authorization prompt summarizing what Squarespace will be able to access. Review it, then approve to finish. This step securely links the two services so your data can sync as intended. That's all. Once you're back in Squarespace, the Mailchimp extension will show as connected. If you ever need to confirm it later, you can return to Extensions and you'll see Mailchimp listed there with an active status. From here on, your site can interact with Mailchimp as configured by the extension, making it easier to manage your newsletter and subscriber growth. A few quick tips to keep everything smooth. Make sure you're using an account on Squarespace with permission to install extensions and a Mailchimp account with the right access to your audiences. If you don't see the gear icon or extensions, you may be in a different view. Return to your site's home menu and try again. And if the login window doesn't load, temporarily disable pop-up blockers and retry the connect step. With that, your connection is complete and you're ready to put it to work.